Simplify 2 root 369 minus 2 root 164 plus root 41 minus root 656. Solution. We have 2 root 369 minus 2 root 164 plus root 41 minus root 656. Now the first thing to do is to get the highest perfect square number in 369, and that is 9. So we can write this as 9 times 41. 9 times 41 will give us 369. And 41 is not a perfect square number. Hence, the higher perfect square number in 369 is 9. Minus 2 root. Now, 164. The highest perfect square number we can have there is 4. Because 4 times 41 will give us 164. Then plus root 41. We can't split this further because 41 is a non-perfect square number. And the highest perfect square number we can have in 41 is 1. Now 656. The highest perfect square number we can have in 656 is 16. Because 16 times 41 will give us 656. Now simplifying further. Applying the multiplication law of surd, we can write this as what? Root 9 multiplied by root 41. Then minus, what do we have here? Root 4 multiplied by root 41. Then plus root 41. We now have here, what are we having? Root 16 times root 41. Now, simplifying further. What are we having? We can write this as 2 into bracket. What is root 9? That's 3. Then we have also, this should be root 41, not root 4. Please take note. Because we are splitting this is root 9 times root 41. So here we have root 41. Then minus 2 into what? Root 4. 4 is a perfect square, so we have 2 here. Root 41. Plus root 41. Then minus root 16. 16 is a perfect square, that's 4. So we have here 4 root 41. Now this is equals to what? 2 times 3, that is what? 6. So this is 6 root 41. Then minus 2 times 2, that's what? 4. This is 4 root 41. Then plus, when you have root 41, you can write this as 1 root 41. Because the coefficient of root 41 is still 1. Just to make the coefficient to be visible. So that's why we are writing it as 1 root 41, which is the same thing as root 41. Then minus 4 root 41. So in this case, we can see that all the 4 terms have the same numbers inside the square root. So in this case, we can add and subtract all together. So in that case, it's just like root 41 is common to each term based on the principle of factorization. Then we can bring out the coefficient of root 41 in each term. So we have 6 minus what? 4. Then plus 1 minus 4. Everything into bracket root 41. So this will give us what? 6 minus 4. What are we having? That is 2. So we have this as 2. Then 1 minus 4. What do we have? That is minus 3. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then plus 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. So we have root 41. Now, 2 minus 3 will give us what? We are taking away bigger number from smaller number. That will give us minus 1. So we have minus root 41 for this. And we can write this as minus root 41. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.